Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. If you can believe it, this colander is going to fit into your cabinets with no problem because it shrinks down very easily. This is a collapsible silicone colander from Yqlinnn, and not only is it great because of how it stores, but it's awesome to use in your kitchen for all of your cooking and rinsing needs.
That's right. I said that this colander is completely collapsible, and you can see that it is soft, it is large, and it holds lots of vegetables if you're going to rinse them off. I really like that its handles are nice and sturdy despite the rest of it being collapsible and soft and squishy. You can also use this for pasta with no problem, and it's really roomy. It's actually 12.6 inches deep, which I really love, so you could make enough pasta for the whole neighborhood. The colander is nice and sturdy, as I mentioned, and the coolest part is that it stores so easily because you can place it right into your cabinet and it will not take up any room. It also folds right back up after using it in the dishwasher as well, so it doesn't affect it, and is just really, really useful.
I don't have to worry about my colander being too big to fit into the cabinet, and I really love how this one rinses. It holds so much things while I'm cooking. It's come in so handy in my kitchen already, and I can't wait to keep using it. But that's just my point of view.